Alright, I've got my Whirlpool washer running a nice and heavy load, mostly jeans and towels. See, it's nice and clean. Nice strong agitation, and I'm just putting it through a normal wash cycle so that you guys can hear it runs great. Sounds great, smooth operation. So what I'm going to do is let it go through the cycle, and then when it gets to the spin and spins those clothes nice and fast, I'll let you see that and hear it. That way you know that when you get it home, plug it in, everything's going to work the way it's supposed to. And then I'll move the clothes over to the dryer and let you hear them in the dryer. Okay, and we are back on the spin cycle, and I let it get up to full speed so you can see it. Runs great, sounds great. Most important things are that it's balanced, no weird noises or bearing noises or anything like that. So it's running great, sounds smooth. And then I'll show you here when I lift this up. Spinning nice and fast, and the lid switch works. So we'll let that finish out, and I will show you the dryer there. Okay, and I've got the washer cleaned out. I have those clothes moved over here to the dryer. You see how nice huge capacity, just like the washer, and the light's nice and bright. So we'll go ahead and just put that on heavy dry, turn the heat all the way up, hit go. As you can hear, that sounds great. Nice and level and even and running smooth. And I'm going to show you that it is heating properly. So I got my little temperature gun. Whatever that red dot shoots on is the temperature. So we'll open this up and shoot that right in the heating element tube. See, it's getting nice and hot. And then that heats up the clothes and gets them dry. So hit go here. We'll turn that over to automatic, and I'll show you that automatic is heating as well. So it's very nice matching Whirlpool set. Kind of the point to this video is just so that you know what you're spending your money on, taking home and plugging in is going to work as described. These guys work great. I'll show you that heat on this one as well. It's even getting a little hotter, and that tube there can actually get all the way up to 300 degrees, but the inside is only going to get from about 100 to 195 at full heat. Depends on how large your load is and what you set this guy right here to. So that's pretty much it on those. If you all have any questions, please reach out. Otherwise, have a great day, and thanks for watching the video.